Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Imakele here. So today we are going to look at how to create passport photos for printing. So let's get started. First of all, you have to have your image ready from your camera, taken with your camera. So once you have it uploaded on Photoshop, yeah, can get started. First thing, we're going to unlock this our background layer by double clicking on the image layer and pressing OK to the pop-up. So once we've done that, the next step is to crop our image. To crop our image, we're going to select a ratio of 1:1 in a square format. And once we have that, you can adjust the crop until you are okay with that. So once it's okay, you click load. Okay. So the next thing is to change the image size. Photoshop passport usually comes in a 2-inch by 2-inch image size. So we're going to go to the image size in the image, and we're going to change the width to 2 and the height to 2 and the resolution to 300. So once we've done that, we can press OK. So our image is adjusted now, but we need to reduce it a bit so that we can have transparent edges at around the image. So to do that, you're going to press Ctrl T in your keyboard or Command T if you're using a MacBook, and you're going to adjust it a bit, maybe around just 2 pixels. And when you've done that, you can now place the image perfectly at the center. Photoshop will automatically help you to align your image at the center using the purple lines, as you can see visible. Today is to make this image a pattern. You're going to go to the image, the edit dialog, and you're going to go to define patterns, and you're going to save this as let's save it as image. So once you save that, you're good. So the next step is to create a new document. You can press Ctrl N or Command N on your keyboard, or by going to the files and pressing on new. So we are going to change the size of the new document. You are going to put your dimensions as custom, change your dimensions to inches, and change the width to 6, the height at 4, the orientation at landscape, the resolution at 300, and a white background. With that said, you can create your new document. So with our new document set, you can see it's just a black document yet. So we need to put in our images on it. What we are going to do is to select the lasso tool or pressing L on your keyboard. So with that, you're going to press Ctrl A or Command A on the Mac to select the whole document, the whole blank canvas. So with that selected, you're going to left click on your keyboard to bring up this dialog box. You can scroll down to the fill option, and in the fill option, you're going to fill in the option with a pattern, and we're going to select our image as the pattern, custom pattern. We are going to leave the script unchecked and every other thing as normal, and you're going to click OK. As you can see, our image is ready and it's been placed. You can now save it, save as a PNG. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Love you. So the next thing we're going to